Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay Channel. Today in this video, we will see how to create and restore a system image backup with a new software, Macrium Reflect, in Windows 10. Today in this video, we will see how to create a system image backup file with Macrium Reflect software in Windows 10. Macrium Reflect is the free imaging solution for Windows with tons of features like backing up the whole system, restoring the system from Windows boot option, and many more within just few clicks. In this advanced window tutorial, we will walk through the series of steps to take a backup and restore the backup images in case of a system failure or data loss due to upgradation. Let us see one by one. In the part 1, first we will see how to install Macrium Reflect software from the official website. In this tutorial, it involves downloading and installing the Macrium Reflect free edition for personal use. Most of the advanced features such as ransomware protection, server class operating system backup, and many more, they are included in the paid versions. Download the Macrium Reflect free software for a 30-day trial of Home Edition from the link. Click on the Home, use Download button and complete the registration process. Just it will ask email. You shall receive an email containing the download link and the registration code. Open the installer and select Free from the first drop down and click the download button to begin the download of Macrium Reflect installer. Once the installer is ready, install the software by accepting all prompts. Please enter the registered email and the registered code to complete the installation. In part 2, we have to create first rescue media before going to take a backup of the system image. For this, we have to run the Macrium Reflect. If asked for the UAC, accept the prompt to open the tool. However, on the other tasks menu, click on the Create Bootable Rescue Media option to begin the process. You can either insert a removal drive or create an ISO file that can be later written to an optical disk drive. In our case, we have selected ISO file, then click the build option to begin the process with the default settings only. Creating the rescue media is now highly recommended in an external device in case your system fails to boot up normally and the backup images are useless. Hence you have to create the rescue media first. You can also add Macrium rescue media to the Windows boot menu also. It is a convenient feature and that can be helpful when your Windows is not booting up normally. In the part 3, we have to create now full backup image. In this part, we will walk through the steps to create a full backup image of the whole system, including all your logical disk drive also. This process can take a long time based on your logical hard drive selection and the target image file size. The welcome screen of Macrium Reflect shows a full backup of the whole system as mentioned here. You can see all the logical disk drives under the MBR section. You can modify the selection by selecting the checkboxes. So here we have selected the part of the hard drive which I wanted to take backup. Create and restore system image backup with Macrium Reflect on Windows 10. It involves a selection of hard drives from home screen. Click on the mentioned backup task, that is image selected disks on this computer, to open the dialog where you can change the preference of logical disks. Define the destination folder for backup image and specify the backup file name also. After making the selection, you can change a few advanced settings that best suited for your requirement and recommended. For that, click on the advanced option link to open the below dialog. It is always a good practice to leave behind a comment explaining the backup image and press OK button as mentioned. Upon clicking the next button, you shall be able to see the below screen to perform the below tasks. You can schedule your backup also, that is choose from predefined backup plans, options to delete previous backup sets. Click the finish button to begin the backup process. You can change the XML backup definition file destination and click OK to start the actual backup process. So after some time, depending on your hard disk size, the backup image will be created on the specified destination place. So this is the process for creating the backup image of the Windows system. That's it. Here, now in the next step, we can restore this image. We will walk through the steps to restore from backup image that you have created earlier. So here, to restore the backup image, click on the restore image link for the backup image to begin the restore process as mentioned below. Click on the next button and then click on the finish button to begin the restore process. So in this video, we have walked you through the steps to install the Macrium Reflect for free, backup the system image, and then restore the image in case of system failure or crash. It is always recommended that you can take the backup in an external device to avoid the loss of backup files in a hard drive failure. Hope this video is useful for you. Friends, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon and enable all the notification. Thank you.